I hope that everybody has enjoyed our kids' camp. It's going to run for 5 days consecutively, and I am right slap in the middle. This is going to be the third show of kids' camp. And on this show, I'm going to share with you kids how to make sure your meat is done, because you don't want to serve medium rare chicken ever. I'm going to be making chicken quesadillas. And I have here green pepper, red pepper, and onion. I'm going to add a tablespoon of olive oil to my pan. And I'm going to saute all these for about 5 minutes. Now, I can't share with y'all enough. Safety is the most important part of being in the kitchen. So you always need to be in the kitchen when you're using fire and heat. You always need to be in the kitchen with an adult, because I don't want any of my little angels out there getting burned or hurt. So I'm going to add my peppers now. And these are beautiful. They look like Christmas colors, don't they? Oh, and throw in a little purple. They're going to be so colorful. We're going to cook this for about 5 minutes, y'all, until they're soft. While those are cooking, y'all, I'm going to take 1 envelope of taco seasoning. And I've got my chicken tenders here. And I'm going to just toss all my tenders in my taco seasoning mix. Now, I want to stress to you how important it is when you're handling any kind of protein to keep your hands nice and clean, because especially chicken, you can transfer germs to the surface that you're working on or your utensils. So you want to be very, very careful and make sure that you wash your hands with soap and water after you have handled your protein. All right, I think these are nice and soft. So I'm going to put them on my plate. And I'm going to add, oh, those look so good. I'm going to add another tablespoon or so of olive oil. And I'm going to cook our chicken tenders now. And you can see that I have on my counter a temperature gauge. And this is real important to me when I'm cooking, especially chicken. Now, I'm going to want my chicken to come to 165 degrees. That's the temperature that we know is safe for us to eat it. And it will come up a low temperature. And when I think that our chicken tenders are done, I'm going to insert my needle into the center of the tenders, and it will register the doneness of it for me. So that's a real important utensil to have in your kitchen. So very quickly, I'm going to salt and pepper our vegetables. Now, it's not going to take long to cook those tenders, not at all. I just flipped them, and we're going to give them a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to insert our thermometer into our chicken to make sure they're done. You want to make sure that your needle is not touching the bottom of the pan, but it's completely in the center of your meat. And look what that's registering. So it's done. And I'm going to give it a little spray. because I don't want our tortillas to stick. I'm going to put them in one at a time and just heat them up a little bit. All right, and while that's heating, why don't we give one more check to our chicken? $166. That's perfect. And this is a great, I hate to call it a gadget to have in your kitchen, but it truly is wonderful. Takes all the guesswork out of it. Now we're going to heat this just a little bit until it's kind of a light brown. Yum. And then we're going to put our peppers, our chicken, our cheeses. We're going to be ready to eat. And my stomach is growling. So I'm going to let that second one sit a minute. Then I'm going to come in here and distribute our peppers and onions generously over our taco. And then we're coming in with our chicken tenders. Gosh, this looks so good, y'all. I'll come in with a little green onion tops. I'm going to come in with a mixture of Jack and cheddar. Doesn't that look good? Now you can top it with anything you like. I happen to love sour cream. Now, if Michael was here, he would be hollering, "Where are the jalapenos?" I'll sprinkle a little bit more onion. And a little bit more cheese, please. Thank you, Lord, for what we're about to eat. Oh, I forgot my avocado. I do want some avocado. Mmm. Mmm. This is so delicious. Wonderful. It's a wonderful, well-balanced meal that you can get together quickly. It's just important that you have mommy or daddy or grandmama or granddaddy, some adult in the kitchen with you, because, like I said, I do not want you getting burned. But I do want you to have some good things to eat, and I want you to learn how to make them, because it sure is a great way to make friendships. Love and best dishes to all you kids out there, little and big.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.